Hey friends, Mr. A here. Got a great new activity for you. It's called soccer bowling. Come on over here. For soccer bowling, you're going to need 2 sock balls. You're going to need either 6 plastic cups or preferably 6 empty water bottles. I have Gatorade bottles. Can't wait to show you how you play. You take your 2 sock balls, you're going to put them down, and one at a time, you're going to kick them towards your bowling pins. In my case, they're going to be Gatorade bottles. Now, each of these empty bottles is going to be worth 1 point. Let me show you how it's done. I have my line over here for distance, and I'm going to kick using my dominant foot towards our bowling pins. Mr. A got 0 points. I knocked down all of our bowling pins, so Mr. A has 6. When you're finished kicking your first 2 sock balls, you're going to reset your bowling pins so you can keep trying. How many points can you score? Can you get more points than the teacher? Let's see. Give it a whirl. Thank you so much for playing soccer bowling. We hope you had fun, and we encourage you to challenge your siblings, your parents, your grandparents, cousins, whoever lives in your house to see who the ultimate soccer bowling champion will be. Have a great night, everybody.